Qasdin hech qachon Rabb rizosi izladim. Kelsa sinaq urmay, xush muborak kel dedim.
These women are aged between 14 and 80. They are taken anywhere between 24 to 72 hours at a time, and they come back with various bruises and after being beaten, whether it be their fingernails being taken out or just being beaten very heavily, head injuries. She says she has seen rape.
She witnessed rape.
She said she's witnessed rape.
Təcavüz qıldımı bilsəm, ya edilməzdim, gözlərim yaşa qatdı. Keyin mən 3 aydan keyin soraqlab qalmışdı. Beni düşündürdü.
Sizin başınızdan ötdü. She would ask the girls if they were raped. They wouldn't say so, but she could tell they were, and because the first time she was interrogated that she herself was raped. Sizge tecavüz qılan insanların ismini bilsiz. Subhanallah. So she's saying that there's a place where people are interrogated, which is downstairs or underground, and there are cameras there. But then there is another space which is outside. There's an outside area, but the rooms there they have very thick walls, so no matter how you scream, no one can hear you. And she says that she can name, she knows the names of her rapists. Yeah, from the camp. And she'd be like, if an investigation were to happen, that she'd be able to name them.
So they used to take these women and take them to this padded room where no one could hear them scream, and rape was prevalent. It was just like part of the practice there.
Demekçi aşu siz deganik aşu avaz çıqaramaydigan uyda demek muştaylıqı tecavüzler daimen muşu ilqi defsendichilik ilqi muşu zulmning işçi daimen bo'lib turadigan bir ahvol ekanda. This happens frequently, and this is part of the torture. It's not a one-off thing. This seems to be just part of the practice, including like one of the tools of torture, if you will.